Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today, in our session, we have talked about biochemistry of the fermentation. What is the biochemistry between fermentation? Fermentation is the anaerobic process in which energy can be released from the glucose even though oxygen is not available. Fermentation occur in the yeast cells and the form of the fermentation take places into the bacteria in the muscles of animal cells. If we have talked about the fermentation biochemical meaning, the generation of energy by the catabolism organic compounds, reoxidation is the coupled with the reduction of the organic compound. If we have talked about the sugar catabolism, oxidative process arrived and the reduced pyrimidine nucleotide exists, and then it will must be reoxidized in a or anaerobic condition. Glycolysis is also a NADH regenerated by the reduction of the pyruvic acid in ethanol. So first glucose required 2 ADP plus PI, and it converted into the ATP, and it will be provide pyruvate, and it will be converted into the 2 acetaldehyde and 2 ethanols. And this is a basic general thing about the fermentation of the biochemistry. While the process of fermentation significantly predated the emergence of the R species, humans have been harnessing the microbial technology and the food production of the preservation for the thousands of years. In many cases, specific fermented foods can be act as a marker for the cultural identity and perhaps draw as a back of flavor, smells of, and different kinds of smells. And there's some kind of history in defined for the fermented foods. We have talked about the first of all the history about the then we have after that we have come to the biochemistry of the fermentation. In the culinary sense of the fermentation is the transformation and the preservation of the food by the bacteria, while the process of the fermentation as a culinary practice dates back to the early human civilization. It took at a very long time before the scientific principles were understood, like first is the however archaeological study have been shown the fermentation technology were well we established component of the ancient civilization, and there is any evidence that can be concept of the starter culture and were widely appreciated for the maintain 2 to 5. And his I'm telling about some description which is have been in 7000 BC, the ancient Chinese civilization the invented the beer types of beverage called a kui, and made with the rice, honey, and the fruit of grapes and hawthorns plants. In 4300 BC, recipes of the beer is found as a clay tablets from the ancient Babylonian civilization. Interestingly, the majority of brewers are the generally best respective professions and sanitize sections in the defined production of the goodness. And around 2000 BC, the first documented pickling cucumber occur in the Middle East. In 1500 BC, the ancient Babylon developed the technology of prevalence of mute sauces, and 500 to 1000 AD, widespread development of cereal legumes fermentation process, for example of end products like mosa, dosa, and shake. So this is some general history where we have talked about the fermentation biochemistry have been occurred. We have some history of the fermented foods, and this is general this is selected fermentation milestone over the human history. And the dawn of biochemistry is the deep side of incredible and the rich anthropological history surrounding the use of fermentation for the food preservation. It was not until more recent times when we start to the learn that fermentation was the metabolic process inherited the microorganism such as a seed of microbiology. We are shown through the discovery bacteria by the Anton Leeuwenhoek in 1683, and the modern scientific enterprises begin to the take shape, and the fermentation was at the center of this movement. At the first, we was presumed that decay and the death of the microorganism gave the rise of the fermented foods, and the theoretized, we can say, the German chemist Justus von Liebig. However, is sex is the in the it is 1857, 1857, and the young French scientist by the name of Louis Pasteur made the interesting observation and challenged its notion was the because of problem is industrial production of the alcohol beverages, and the year before the Pasteur published these important observations, he has approached by the industrialists from the Lilly, Monsieur Bingo, who made the alcohol from the beet juice and the vats of the bingo beet juice, which were not being converted into the alcohol. These juices were storing like they are tasted like a vinegars. This phenomena is threatened like a business, so Pasteur came to the investigated using the microscopes, and the Pasteur look at the sample from the successful beds and notice that the presence of nice fat globules. However, it is look like a short sample. He is only shown thin and elongated particles. Through the further studies, he also concluded that the short samples contain acetic acid, which is definitely not the alcohol. With the help of make senses of the difference, he went on the characteristics, and the alcohol producers, the beet juices, was the successfully fermented, and the Pasteur found this compound to be optically active, and he had already been studying stereochemistry of the several years, and his previous observation suggested that the all organic compounds with the optical activities were formed by the living organism. Thus, he come to the conclusion that living cells were responsible for the metabolic process fermentation. The chemical changes of the Pasteur giving some evidence like the chemical changes of the fermentation are associated with the vital activity beginning and ending with the later, and the belief of the alcohol fermentation never occurred without either the simultaneous organization develop and the multiplication of the cells or continued life of cells already formed. All the result is this paper seem to be completely opposition to the opinion. So Louis Pasteur gives these things, and we have done after that the fermentation living sang here. The biochemical point of view, fermentation is a metabolic process which is the organic compound are converted into the energy without involvement of the oxidizing agent. The Louis Pasteur suggested the fermentation on life without air. However, the fermentation not one size fits, and all there is actually incredible diversity when it comes to fermentation process. It is a different microorganism, how that the different mechanism for the conversion glucose into the energy, and such microorganism has involved in the level of metabolic flexibility, allowing them to the switch between aerobic respiration and the fermentation. As such, these microorganisms are classified as a facultative anaerobes, and however other microorganism as the oxygen and can only undergo the anaerobic respiration. In this case of microorganism are obligated anaerobes, and the both facultative anaerobes are obligated anaerobes. This process serve to be recycle production of the glucolytic reaction, and that cell can be continued producing ATPs, like glucose plus 2 NAD plus 2 ADP plus 2 phosphate converted into the 2 pyruvate plus 2 NAD plus 2 ATP and 2H, 2 hydrogen and 2H2 produced by this glycolysis fermentation. And glucose with the glycolysis produce the pyruvic acid, and with the fermentation it will be converted into the ethanol, lactic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid. And in the lactic acid fermentation, the conversion of the pyruvate to the lactic acid occur directly by the enzymatic actions to the lactate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, pyruvate is reduced to the lactic acid, while the NAD plus regenerated and the shuttle back into the glycolytic pathway. The lactobacillic order, also known as the lactoacid bacteria, and the collection of the gram-positive bacteria that produce lactic acid at the end of further food fermentation, since the acidification of the growth is required. And particularly in lactobacillus bacteria have been shown the ubiquitinous part of the healthy microflora profile in the human intestine and tract, and contribute to the very briefly. And the common foods containing like yogurt, kimchi are, and the lambic beer. In ethanol production, we had talked about the transformation of pyruvate to the ethanol and the CO2 occur over two steps. First, the carboxyl group is removed from the pyruvate by pyruvate decarboxylase to the yield acetaldehyde and the CO2. Then the acetaldehyde is converted into the ethanol through the action of the alcohol dehydrogenase, which produce NAD in a parallel, like providing necessary substrates to the glycolysis continue. Yeast is a very important facultative anaerobes, as they are very effective in producing ethanol aligned to the human catch by the drinking beverage like wine, beers, and if we and some kinds of currently standpoint that creates opportunity to create vast array in food products, flavors, profiles. Many of us enjoyed fruits microorganism labels, and it is estimated that much third of all food consumed by the human on this earth will be is the fermented pickles, olives, breads, beer, wine, chocolate, coffee, vinegar, soya sauce. All of these delicious foods are well as many other types of fermented, and are the result of the shuttling pyruvate into some fermentation cascades. Sometimes kitchen fermented utilizes the wild fermentation process, in which they harness the natural collection of the microorganism present on the food of the create a specific culinary result. Other times as the well defined and the characteristics of starter cultures is used for create a specific fermented foods. It should be generally fermented useful industrial setting, and some kinds of biotechnological companies are using source into the research development in industrial fermentation. So all over this is the important to remember that microorganism in the nature do exist in the monoculture, meaning that have been ecological setting. There are variety of microorganism species living and working together response to the our environment conditions. So this is all about the fermentation of biochemistry. And we have talked about the history of fermentation. What is the fermentation, what is the history behind of this fermentation, how to Louis Pasteur identify the fermentation, and uh, how do we produce ethanol, how do we produce fermentation technology, and what is the role of fermentation in uh, lactic acid fermentation, and the alcoholic fermentation, ethanol fermentation. So this is all about the fermentation we have discussed about this chapter. As an exam point of view, there is some kind of question is occurred: what is the biochemistry define the fermentation, and what is the ethanol biochemistry formed, and how to be produce some, what is the industrial application of the fermentation, and explain some kind of bacteria, yeast, and fungus using in the fermentation. Thank you so much.